Hi, I am Pasinu. Today we are going to discuss current trends in ICT technologies for enterprise information systems. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce our team. We have Sasika, Rashmika, Sakila and myself. We are excited to share our insights on this topic with you today. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. These technologies are used for storing, retrieving, transmitting, and processing information. That's why ICT is the backbone of how we interact with the information in the modern world. What is an enterprise information system? EIS is a centralized system that serves the needs of an entire organization. It's a structured set of interconnected components that collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making, coordination, control, analysis, and visualization with an enterprise. Our next slide is about functions of EIS. So, what are the key functions of an enterprise information system? EIS integrates different business processes like finance, HR, supply chain, sale, and customer service, providing valuable insights and analytics for better decision making. Automating routine tasks to increase efficiency, providing real-time access to organizational data. Next, let's look at some common examples of enterprise information systems. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. These are the main systems that integrate all phases of an operation, including product planning, development, manufacturing, sales, and marketing. CRM, Customer Relationship Management Systems. These are focused on managing all aspects of an organization's interaction with customers. SCM, Supply Chain Management Systems. These systems manage the flow of goods, services, and information in whole business process. They optimize everything from procurement to logistics and distribution. BI, Business Intelligence Systems. These systems are designed to collect, analyze, and present business information to help with decision making. These examples highlight how EIS contributing to the overall integration and efficiency of an enterprise. I invite Rashmika to continue on the next slides. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rashmika, and in this, our next slide describe about why ICT trends matter in EIS. Uh, Here we mention the business must evolve to remain competitive in the digital age, and emerging technologies offer automation, cost savings, and real-time insights. ICT trends improve scalability, mobility, and security of enterprise systems. And our next slide again uh, define the why ICT trends matter in EIS. This we describe here support for digital transformations, improved integration and interconnectivity, enhanced data management and decision making, increase efficiency in automation, scalability, flexibility, strength, cybersecurity, competitive advantage, and compliance and governance. Our next slide describe about the ICT technologies related to enterprises information systems. Here we describe our next slide, the example of that above slide I discuss about. The first one is cloud computing. It delivery of the cloud computing means delivery of computing services over the internet. Example like Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Service. And our next slide describe about artificial intelligence and machine learning. This AI means machines that mimic human intelligence, and the machine learning means a subset of artificial intelligence where system learn from data and improve over time. I invite Shakila to uh, continue this presentation.
Thank you, Rashmika. I am Sakila Devinder. Today I am going to talk about what is big data and analytics and how it's changing the world around us. Big data is the collection and analysis of large complex data sets that traditional tools can't handle. These data sets come from sources like social media, sensors, mobile apps, and transaction records. Analytics is how we turn that data into insights. It includes methods like statistics, machine learning, and visualization to make sense of the data. Now let's see what IoT is. IoT is one of the most exciting areas in modern technology. It refers to physical devices like sensors, machines, and everyday appliances that are connected to the internet. These devices can collect data and share it, which allows them to work smarter. They can interact with each other or send information directly to us. Now, let's talk about what cybersecurity is. Cybersecurity is all about protecting our computers, networks, and personal data from attacks or unauthorized access. In simple terms, it's like locking our digital doors, making sure the wrong people don't get in. It helps keep information safe, making sure it stays private, accurate, and available when needed. Now, let's take a look at what blockchain is. Blockchain is the digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Instead of relying on one central authority, the data is stored across many computers, making it decentralized. This means that once a transaction is recorded, it can't be changed or deleted easily, which helps build trust and prevents fraud. Now I invite Sasika to continue this other part.
Thank you, Sakila. Edge computing. Edge computing is an emerging ICT trend that processes data closer to where it's generated, at the edge of the network. Unlike other traditional cloud models, edge computing reduces latency, speed up data processing, and reduce bandwidth usage. In enterprise systems, this is particularly useful for real-time operations, such as in manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. For example, a smart factory can immediately analyze matching data to detect faults without needing to send the data to distant cloud servers. This leads to a faster response, better reliability, and more efficient operations. Then low-code, no-code platforms. Low-code, no-code platforms are transforming how enterprise applications are developed. These platforms allow users with minimal coding skills to build applications using visual interfaces and pre-built components. In the enterprise settings, this means business units can quickly develop custom solutions without waiting for full software development cycles. This improves agility and empower departments to address their own needs more efficiently. It doesn't replace developers, but it does speed up innovation and free IT teams to focus on more complex tasks. Then next slides, 5G and enhanced connectivity. 5G and enhanced connectivity represent a huge leap forward in network performance. With ultra-fast speed, low latency, and higher capacity, 5G makes it possible to run real-time enterprise applications more smoothly, even across large geographies. For enterprise systems, this supports technologies like IoT, remote operations, and mobile workforce management. It also enables smoother video conferencing, faster cloud access, and uninterrupted data syncing across locations. In short, 5G enhances the reach, responsiveness, and reliability of enterprise information system. Finally, the conclusion. To conclude, the ICT trends we have discussed from AI and big data to edge computing and 5G are fundamentally reshaping enterprise information systems. These systems are becoming smarter, more agile, and more secure, allowing organizations to adapt quickly to market changes and improve operations efficiently. However, while embracing these technologies, is essential for competitiveness. It's equally important to manage the associated risks, including data privacy, cybersecurity, and ethical concerns. Thank you. Finally, these are our references used for this presentation.